Before you do any trigonometry, you really should know what a radian is. Now, up until IB, you've most likely said that there are 360 degrees in a circle. But now we say there's also 2 pi radians. So basically 360 degrees equals 2 pi radians. Mathematicians use this because it gives the exact form and it's a neater way of working out parts of the circle. And in the next video you'll see how we can work out the arc length and the area of a sector much easier using the radian formula. So I'm just going to go through all of these because all of these you should know for a non-calculator paper off by heart or be able to work them out. So 360 are 2 pi, 180 is half of that, so that's going to be pi. Now 360 is a good number. It's actually used by the Babylonians who came up with 360 degrees. It's a great number because it divides by so many things. So 360 divided by 90 gives 4, or it gives you, so that's a quarter of 2 pi, or it's half of 180, so this is pi over 2. So if I know that this one is actually sometimes more useful than this one. 270, well that's 180 and 90, so if I add a whole one and the half here, I get 3 pi over 2. 45 is half of 90, or a quarter of 180. So this is, because it's a quarter of 180, it becomes pi over 4. 135 is 3 lots of 45, so it becomes 3 pi over 4. Now we start getting a little bit more complicated here, but 225 is 180 degrees, add 45 degrees. So it's the quarter and whole one giving me 5 pi over 4. And 315 is 360 degrees, take away pi over 4. So instead of saying that this is 360, which is 2 pi, I'm going to take away a quarter pi, which is pi over 4, and this gives me 7 pi over 4. Okay, 360, or 180 rather, let's take 180, divide it by 30, or 30 divided by 180, it's going to give me a sixth, so this is going to give me pi divided by 6. And this whole section here is all based on the 30. So this is pi over 6, this is double it, so 2 pi over 6, or pi over 3. These two, very, very useful to know. This 120 is double 160, so that's 2 pi over 3. 150 is 180, take away 30. Pi, which is 180, take away pi over 6, she's going to give me 5 pi over 6. 210 is pi add 30, so it's going to give me 7 pi over 6. This one is 180 plus 60, which is pi over 3. So this is going to give me 4 pi over 3. 300 is 360, which is 2 pi, take away 60. 2 pi, take away pi over 3, and that's going to give me 5 pi over 3. And finally, 330, which is 360, take away this one, is going to give me 11 pi over 6. Now you can go through all of those, but basically you need to know how to work out each one because you'll be asked that on a non-calculator paper.